Wala nang battery. Nagsiro kanina eh, tapos biglang okay na ngayon. Thank you so much.
Which for our unique prize na si Nate James. Right, best friend Johnny? How many wishes do you prepare, best friend Johnny? You have 4 wishes for Nate James. Okay, Johnny, your first wish for Nate James. He will grow up. What is that, best friend Johnny? Is strong and healthy. Wow, palakpakan natin si Johnny. And Johnny, how about your second wish, best friend? Your second wish for Nate James. He will grow up. What is that, best friend Johnny? Down to earth. Always be humble daw po. Palakpakan natin si best friend Johnny. Okay, Johnny, your third wish for Nate James. He will grow up. What is that, best friend? Smart kid, and of course, you reach her greatest dreams in life. Wow! Palakpakan na natin si Johnny. Okay, Johnny, how about your fourth wish, last wish for Nate James? He will grow up, always be happy like best friend Johnny. Now it's all Johnny's and Johnny adults. You want to see Johnny dancing? Okay, I can't hear you. You want to see Johnny dancing? Yeah! Okay, Johnny, are you ready to dance, best friend? Oh. Okay, let's go out for Johnny together with this morning. Kaya ko kami na malakas na palakpakan.
Baka magulat siya, malakas.
Okay, ready? Let's get up for it. We this Marty have to get it. Do you guys? Everybody, come on, clap your hands. Let's go down. Here's Marty.
Stop.
best friend Johnny. Okay now, we will do our catalogue. May hi, Mommy. Getting together with our new guys, na si Nate James. Please meet her in front.
Naku lang kung si Mar nag-gaya sa ito. May picture na. Di Mar yung palta ba? Okay na kahit wala nang ano. Samahan mo kasi doon. Peekaboo.
Okay, now to all Jollies and Jolliados, let us upgrade Nate James aloud. Welcome to the Christian world, Baby James in the out of 3, 2, 1. Welcome to the Christian world, Baby James. Salamat na natin ang ating new baptize na si Nate James. Okay? And of course, now ready to blow the candle. Mommy and Daddy. Sabay ba natin blow ang candle ni Nate James? Yes, okay, ready? Blow the candle in out of 3, 2, 1. Blow the candle. Yay! Palakpakan naman natin si Mommy and Daddy, of course. Si Nate James. Thank you so much, and my bride, the grandmother and grandfather, si Nate James. Si Nate James.
Lola,
Ma!
Ay, lola, lola ko. Meron po ba? Nandito sa lola ko.
Grand lang. Nagigilap ako sa'yo.
Picture.
Picture lang daw, ma. Picture lang.
wala si Lolo.
Ah, si Papa. Paging pa. Patawagin mo, please.
Okay, ready? Look at the camera and...
Pop, Lolo
Ay,
ba?
paano pa sa lola? Okay. Ayun, pupuntahan na ni John.
Susunduin na.
Isubihin niya sa lolo. Ano sa lolo? Yung special guest natin.
Bye-bye.
Tagal yun. Yes, sa lolo together ano ginawa? Natagay mo na daw si lolo. Ready, mommy?
Ma.
Lolo,
Ready together with Pastor John, give a lot of current video, right?
1, 2, 3, smile.
Ready,
Papa,
smile.
1, 2, 3.
One more.
Waki, 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 guys. Waki, oh. 1, 2, 3, waki.
Rocky! Wait lang ka po. Eight lang po.
Ganun ka daw, no? Ganun ka daw. Yeah, eh. 1, 2, 3, eh.
Baliw ka daw.
Okay, this time to all Jollibee and Jolliados na gustong magpakuwarira na kasama si best friend Jollibee ang nag-isang bida-bida ng saya. Best
Jo,
friend
Jo, dalawa kayo
family
ni
ko.
Family daw.
Kami ang teacher rating ko. And sa family mo ni Mami, right?
O, sama ka na. Si JR. JR.
Family mo ni featuring with best friend Jolly.
Sama mo sila, ano, Sam. Sama mo. Sam, bili. Doon na.
Okay, ready? Let the red key with us.
Okay.
Ay, sorry.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile. Isa pa.
Tapa, Sam. 1, 2, 3, go.
Waki, 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 guys. Waki, okay. 1, 2, 3, waki. Closer, closer, closer.